pick up another felony, your minimum would be 25 years in the prison. And if you were to go to a jury trial, a jury can't give you probation. They can start at 25 years to sentence you. How old are you?
37.
All right. You got to make a decision. Do you want to spend the rest of your life in and out of somebody's prison, or do you want to be in the free world?
He pleaded no contest to a brutal crash. But when the judge asked about his family violence case, his one-word answer made the entire courtroom freeze.
All right. The court is calling 2023 CR 7369 and 2023 CR 8869. That parties announced for the record for the state. Defense.
Ron Ross for the intoxication assault case.
And Lindsay Shaw for his other cases.
All right. And are you Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications or no?
No.
Judge.
Mr. Rodriguez, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictments as presented?
We are reading 20.
All right. Mr. Rodriguez, in each cause number, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review those with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes.
All right. And the cause number ending in 7369, you're charged with intoxication assault. And in cause number ending in 8869, you're charged with felon in possession of a firearm. Both of those cases are third-degree felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
And each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand? Did you understand by entering these plea bargain agreements, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Yes, Judge. I'm sorry.
No problem. And each of the cause numbers, do you believe your client has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Yes, Judge.
In each of the cause numbers, do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Rodriguez, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And the cause number ending in 7369, the state is proceeding on count 1. Punishment is to be assessed at 7 years in the prison. There are no applications. This case will run concurrent with 2023 CR 8869. State is taking in consideration 2023 CR 8482, and there's an affirmative finding of family violence. And the cause number ending in 8869, the state is proceeding on count 2. Punishment is to be assessed at 7 years in the prison. There are no applications. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 7369. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition? Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand that to be your plea bargain agreement in each of these cause numbers? State, is that the plea?
Yes, sir.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsels, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
No, ma'am.
Then in each cause number, I'm sorry, And cause number ending in 8869, count two, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And in the cause number ending in 7369, how do you plead to count one? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Cause number, I offer states exhibit 1 in the attachments.
No objections.
No objection.
And each cause number, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review those documents with your attorneys? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments in each cause number, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start with the intoxication assault case. So the complainant who was in the vehicle with you, what's your relationship to them?
It's a friend.
Okay. Is there any restitution due to the friend or no?
I was told no. The lady had Medicaid or
I can't begin to imagine how painful that was to be wearing braces, then in a car accident and have your bottom teeth pushed in.
Yes.
I think that the restitution is covered by insurance.
And yes,
I'm sorry, the restitution in the intoxication assault, the 23 CR 7369, that was covered by Medicaid.
all right, thank you. And then where is this affirmative finding of family violence coming in?
The defendant also has a pending, or as part of the plea, there's an ag assault deadly weapon family violence case. So as part of the plea, we wanted the affirmative finding of family violence as part of this plea, judge, but we're trying to TIC as well.
All right. So then the court, in that cause number, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 7 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. This is run concurrent with 2023 CR 8869, taking consideration 2023 CR 8482. And in the case that was dismissed, that is the affirmative finding of family violence. Who is the complainant in that case?
It was, I believe, his mother and his grandfather.
Could I see that file, please? All right, and there's to be no contact with Estevan, Estevan, Raul, Salas, and Ana Maria Garza. And that cause number, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because it's an affirmative finding of family violence and also a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, next we'll move on to 2023 CR 8869. Who is Jonas Thompson to you?
No friend.
Okay. All right. Court is going to sentence you to 7 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 7369. There's to be no contact with Ana Garza. Esteban Raul Salas, Jonas Thompson, or the address. And that's Kernan Drive. So there's to be no contact with Kernan, Kernan Drive. That's San Antonio, Texas, 78227. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. This is Texas, and Texas has certain rules. And one of those rules is, depending on how often you've been to prison, if you have another charge, you're labeled as a habitual. I'm sure your attorneys probably told you, if on certain felonies, if you were to pick up another felony, your minimum would be 25 years in the prison. And if you were to go to a jury trial, a jury can't give you probation. They can start at 25 years to sentence you. How old are you?
37.
All right. You got to make a decision. Do you want to spend the rest of your life in and out of somebody's prison, or do you want to be in the free world? If you want to be in the free world, you got to follow the rules. If you don't want to follow the rules, you can spend the rest of your life in prison. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you.